Yes, I was recording and they turned my phone off again. They had the fire truck out there. You know, like I said, this is the level of criminal activity that they'll do. And so this is why I continue to do these videos, because again, regardless of what, this program is to try to keep you silent. And it's like with most people today, they become silent on important issues. Right? They've got them into becoming silent. But that won't happen to me. Anyway, I'm not even going to pause the video. I'm not even going to pause videos anymore. I'm going to stop the video and then record again, because when I pause the video, they exit the phone app and it doesn't record it. So I got to start stopping it as I like when the bus comes and stuff like that. But they're hiding what the shit that they're doing. They know what they're doing is wrong, and they know that they're engaging in criminal activity. This is why they do what they do. They know they're criminal. You know, okay, they was like, "What you want that smoke?" Yeah. Well, y'all don't want my smoke. My smoke is the truth. I don't got to spread lies and propaganda. I don't got to use people to lie on somebody else in order to keep them down, in order to get them in trouble or that. I don't need to do that. Okay? That's what they need to do. That's what these persons do. Alright? Yeah.